Hello guys, in this video we will see a simple thing, that is how we switch or exchange the rows and columns in the Google Sheets. Okay, let me first open my Google Sheets now. Okay, and I will give here a simple information on anything. Okay, I will give here Ramu 12, 18, 14, okay, Ravi, and any information that you want to give here. I am just giving here a simple example for you to show all this. That's it. Yeah, Rafi 14, 17, 18. Yeah, total the last one 26, 35, 32. Okay, now select the and right click now, copy. Yeah, we are copying now, and again right click, paste special, and at last paste transpose. That's it. Yeah, see there the rows and columns are switched. That's it. Thanks for watching this video guys.